Two men could be called healers of the spirit world. One of them helped you. The other one was the reason you needed help in the first place. Welcome back to Echoes of the Luo. Today, we untangle two words the Luo were very careful never to mix up. There is a confusion between Ajuoga, the Luo healer, and jajuok, the witch. The Ajuoga treats. This is called Theodo. The jajuok bewitches people. This is called Ido. Same world, same spirits, completely opposite purpose. The word Ajuoga covered everyone who carried out religious service in the community. They had the power to heal sickness. Their duties included making sacrifices and offering advice on religious matters. They used herbs to cure different types of sickness, and the practice was inherited. A father could pass his medical expertise straight to his son. The Luo called the process of divination goyogagi, casting pebbles, or mbofua, the board. The word for diviner, Ajuoga, describes exactly what he does. He is a specialist in dispensing medicine and magic. He can diagnose illnesses that are difficult to explain because they reach into the superhuman world of the spirits. He can prescribe a cure too, usually appeasement of the spirits through sacrifice or cleansing. But you do not visit a diviner empty-handed. You carried a present. This was called chiwo. Diviners dealt mainly with the spirits of those who had died. One method involved rubbing two flat pieces of wood together while calling out the names of the spirits. When the two pieces stuck together, the spirits had been found. Another method used seeds from wild beans or cowrie shells. These were cast down, and the wayward spirit could be spotted through them. The results were read from how they landed, how they were arranged on the mat. Most diviners relied on the dead for their knowledge, and that consultation happened in the dark. Only the diviner could see the spirit. Only he could speak with it directly. But the patient was not left in silence. Most of the time, they could hear the voice of the spirit, answering the diviner back. The Ajuoga was never feared the way the jajuok was. One treated, the other bewitched, but both worked in the same world of spirits, wood and shells, and knowing which one you are dealing with could matter more than anything else. There is more of this world still to uncover. The next episode is coming soon. If you want to go deeper into Luo tradition, the guide to Luo marriage customs is linked below on Seller. This is Echoes of the Luo. Thank you.